9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Colleagues, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from Deriv MT5 real account to Deriv CR account for withdrawals to MTN mobile money. You can also withdraw to Airtel or any other SIM card or mobile money service you may be using. Then we shall transfer that money on our mobile money wallet to our commercial bank, and in this case I'm going to use Stanbic Bank Uganda. So watch out. So I'm going to begin by clicking on the Deriv app, or you can also log into app.deriv.com as you try to log in to your Deriv account, right? But why are we not directly withdrawing from Deriv to bank account? This is because with the bank it takes time, whereas mobile money is convenient and quick. Okay, actually between 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, we are transferring funds from MT5 account. I want to withdraw $21. Okay. And I want to take this into my Stanbic bank account, and I'll use internet banking to just log in, where you just type Stanbic Bank Uganda internet banking. Okay, then after that Stanbic Bank Uganda internet banking, that's what you search on the internet for easier access of your accounts. I'm not using the app, but rather the web browser. So from here, let me enter my username and password and I sign in. I'm signing in. So as you can see, this is the balance I have on my account. So let's go back to where I'm supposed to begin from. As I said, I'm going to begin from the Deriv application. So we are going to continue from just withdrawing these funds. As I said, I'm going to withdraw only $21 and I will just leave a balance of 97. And as you can remember, this is the same amount which was in my MT5 real account. So let's go to this side, the three bars at the top left corner. Then you click on cashier. Because you want to transfer the funds, you go to transfer. Then when you click on transfer, it's going to go to give you an option of transferring your funds from MT5 to your real CR account. So as you can see on my CR account, this is what I'm meaning. I only have 0.00 and I want to transfer my funds from MT5 here to here. So let's do it. We are going to tap here. Okay, so when I tap here, I'm going to select this one and I click here. I again click here. So you can see the funds have gone up, which means I'm going to transfer the funds to CR accounts, and I'm going to enter the amount here, and that is $21. Then I click on transfer. I'm going to click on transfer here, and within 1 minute the funds will be transferred. Actually 1 second, not 1 minute. So you can see funds have been transferred. So from there, that's when I can make a withdraw. I'm going back to the three bars. When I click there, I'll go back to cashier, and this time I'm going to click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, they are going to first confirm and by sending the email. Okay, so I'm going to say send email. After that, I'm going to check in my inbox to see if the email is there. Okay, so let me scroll and access my email. So as you can see, this is the email that I have just received. Verify your withdrawal request. So I'm going to say yes, it's me. Okay, if this is your first time, you can first read through, but I've been withdrawing several times. So as you can see, depending on the deposit methods, they are automatically reflected here. But as for you, you are going to see another screen which is showing you various withdrawal methods, including the bank accounts or even more other e-wallets. So for me, the available withdrawal methods based on the deposit methods I use are these ones. I have DoSuper mobile money and this one called MTN mobile money. Okay, and as you can see, they are showing you the minimum and the maximum. Okay, So my funds I want to withdraw are within that range. So let me just click or use DoSpay, but before that I'll first enter the amount I want to withdraw, which is $21. So I'm going to click on DoSpay, and as you can see, they're going to show me my details, my number, MTN mobile money. Then I'm going to input the the instructions, and I'm just going to say pay via mobile money. As simple as that. Then I click on request payouts. Okay, so you can see pay out request confirmation. So all I have to do is to wait and see this $21 land on my MTN mobile wallet, okay, in UGX, not in dollars. Okay, so I have to wait, and I'll update you once I have received the message. So I waited for like 1 minute, and you can see the message is here. You have deposited this amount from Area Investments Limited. Okay, so let me check my account, and I will let you know if the funds are already there. So as you can see, the funds are here, 73,488. So now since the funds are on my mobile money, let's see how to transfer the funds to my Stanbic bank account, which is a commercial bank. I'll click *165 hash, then I'll select financial services, and I'll select send to bank account, which is number 1, and I'll select Stanbic. Here you choose your bank type. If it is Centennial, you choose Centennial. If it is Stanbic. If it is DFC, you like that. If it is by Pride by Microfinance, Standard Chartered, etc. So I'm going to choose Stanbic Bank, and I'm going to choose number 1 to my account. Then you can see my account is automatically selected. They are going to give me the beginning figures and the ending figures. So that's my account. I already know it. So I'm going to click number 1, and they are going to tell me enter the amount. Let me hope I have enough. So let me send 70,000. You are about to deposit 70,000 to your bank account, this one at a fee of 1,500. Make sure you have this 1,500 on your mobile money as a balance. Then enter MTN mobile money PIN to confirm. Let me enter it, and I'll be back. So as you can see, transaction is being processed. Please wait. Okay, so I'm going to check on my bank account to see if the funds have disappeared. Otherwise, I have seen the message that you have transferred UGX 70 to Stanbic Bank, Stanbic Uganda Holdings Limited. The charge was 1,000, and you can see the balance on my mobile money is this one. So let me log into my bank account, and I see if the funds have reached. So I'm going to say once again, Stanbic Bank Uganda Internet Banking. I'm not using the app, I'm using the web browser. So once I go to online banking, I'm going to click on wait for it to load. I'm going to go to these 3 bars, or I can as well say log in. Okay. So enter your username and password, then click on sign in. Let me do that, and I'll be back. So you can see the funds have arrived. Remember when I was beginning this video, I was just having 3,044.5. Okay, so now I have 73,445. So that's how you do it. That's how you transfer funds from MT5 real account to my CR account, Deriv CR account, and then to mobile money, and finally to your bank account. As you can see, it was so fast. I didn't even wait. And you can see if it was directed from Deriv to my bank account, it would take 3 days and up to 5 days. But now it was instant within minutes. If you find value in this video, kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and you can share it to your colleagues. Until next time, keep winning.